So yeah, the moment I got there, I felt um I felt like I have visited. I'm making stuff up. I'm making stuff up. Okay, so like, think with me here. Okay, I felt like I
No.
have visited a little Italy,
Can we help?
a little part of
Huh?
Italy.
Mister, but if you relate it when it's new, it might be bad, but when it's old, it might be good because it just opened.
Cool. Yes, but yeah, it's
Mister,
a little part of Italy, not old, right?
Mister,
Yeah.
هو مستر توم
Mister,
Yes, that's it.
or is can we say that this restaurant has anything from usual meals to desserts?
Exactly. Okay, but let's wait. Omar, do you have a question first?
yes
Yeah.
Mister
Yeah.
homework that we are
Again,
what is the homework that we are going to have today?
it's gonna be to finish this writing, like both of them, the fiction and non-fiction. So at this, you had an idea. Can you say it again?
This restaurant includes anything from no, usual meals, from breakfast meals to fancy desserts.
Okay. From what meals again?
From usual breakfast meals to
Okay. Cool.
fancy
Right.
desserts.
Right. Yeah, let's include that because we're telling any like relative content about the restaurant. It offered or it offers a wide variety of meals and desserts. Or let's write what I liked about it best is that it offers a wide variety of meals and desserts. Because you're encouraged to add more complex and compound sentences instead of just writing in choppy, simple sentences, okay? Instead of writing too many simple sentences, try to include more compound and complex ones. Great. So we've talked about the restaurant and what it offers, and we're now going to say some pros and cons. We said all of the pros. Let's say now some bad stuff. I mean, like the negative things that you've encountered there.
Cups are not clean.
Okay. Um, okay. When I was when I took the first bite, actually it should be like when I was taking the first bite, comma, I noticed that the fork was not polished. In fact, it was not clean at all. Yuck. Okay. So now some critical things about the restaurant. What shocked me the most was the price.
Should I write this?
Yeah? Yeah.
I can't see the screen.
Okay, what about now?
Yeah, me too. Your screen is frozen.
Really? That's very weird.
Still not.
Okay, Mahmoud, I didn't
Yeah,
notice that.
it's frozen.
Can you tell Rital to try again?
Like Elsa.
Mahmoud, can
I'm
you ask
trying
Rital
like Adam.
to try to join again? Asr and Adam, could you like push down the funny part of you a little bit? Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, I hope that you can see the screen now. It works, right? It does, right?
Mm,
Yeah, okay. No. So in fact,
Mister, are you typing in anything?
no, I was just saying you can see the screen now.
I still can't see.
Nadine, since last
Mister, can you
session,
go up a little?
okay, I think I have a problem with the internet connection again. So, okay, wait.
Mister, we cannot see. It's still frozen.
I understand now. Let me try to fix
Mister,
it.
can you go up?
I will, but it's telling me that my internet connection is not stable. So I'll try
I
to
can
join
go up.
from another connection, okay?
Your voice is lagging.
Okay. Yes, I'm connecting to another network. That's probably why. Okay. It will work now. I hope. Yeah, it works now. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, it works
Okay.
now. Okay. Share the screen again. So so far we have mentioned like many things. We've talked about the restaurant itself. We have given a summary. We've talked about what it offers, which is like the pros and cons, right? The good and the bad things about it. And then we will need to compare in the next paragraph that you will write off of your own. You need to compare this restaurant to other restaurants that you have visited before. Like other restaurants didn't have like super expensive meals, or they had some clean utensils to use and plates and stuff. Or maybe you can talk about the staff, which is like the people who work there. The staff were friendly or unfriendly. This is like usually like a good point in any restaurant. What else can you talk about? The location, was it easy to go to? So remember, the purpose here is that you are reviewing, you're telling all of the information relative for others to take like or decide whether they would probably visit this restaurant or wouldn't based on your recommendation. So, and the conclusion after comparing it to other restaurants, you will just say your recommendation. Like, although I noticed like some bad stuff, which you talked about here, but still the food was very delicious, and I would go there again pretty soon. Okay, so this is how you'll write your review. We've written the first page together. Probably you can write the second on your own. It will include the following
But
features that we have discussed. Don't forget about comparing it to other restaurants, and at the very end, say your recommendations. Okay? Anybody has any questions
I
about this?
No.
Okay, great.
Mister,
Yes. So if
I
anybody
didn't
has, you can't see the screen yet, right? Right, Nadine?
I do.
Yes,
But
honey?
I didn't finish a full page.
Yeah, and because did you leave a line or not between like the lines that you write at? Do you write on every other line or like do you
No,
write
I
on every line or
forgot.
every other line? Okay, we agreed that in nonfiction we'll write on every other line, okay? Because you can't possibly like think of like 10 things to write in this writing. Or if the topic is so easy and you've written about it, then write on every line because you already have some ideas saved here in your mind. You can just use it. In fiction, though, while you're doing fiction, the fiction homework, like the realistic fiction story, you don't need to leave a line because don't leave any lines because it's a story. You can, like, the more that you write, the more ideas that will flow into your mind. Be creative and then try to like fill in the 2 pages, all of them. Okay, I will check this homework with Miss Nurhan starting from tomorrow. Please try to do one of them today, which is going to be the fiction story. Okay, like today's homework is going to be the fiction story. I know that you guys submit the homework on time, but I noticed that some of you didn't submit it right on time. Some of you were pretty late. So because we have a lot
Like
of
me.
like yeah. So because we have a lot of genres, we have a lot of types of writing. So we need to go like more quickly in order to try to finish all of them by the end of this month. Okay, we don't have like unlimited time. We have very limited time together. So do the homework
Can I
on
ask a
time.
question?
Okay. Yeah. Those who don't have any questions, you can leave now. Those who have questions, just stay with me.
I want to listen.